Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel CodeGround. And today we are here to solve the daily coding challenge of November 4th, that is find x sum of all k long subarrays 1. Okay, so let's read what the question is. You are given an integer array nums of n integers and two integers k and x. Okay, so first we are given an integer array of n integers and we are given two individual integers. One is k and the other is x. Okay, the x sum of an array is calculated by the following procedure. Okay, count the occurrences of all elements in the array. Okay, so we have to count the occurrences of all elements in the array. Keep only the occurrences of the top x most frequent elements. If two elements have the same number of occurrences, the element with the bigger value is considered to be most frequent. Okay, calculate the sum of the resulting array. Got it. Note that if an array has less than x distinct elements, the x sum is the sum of the array. Okay, return an integer array of length n minus k plus 1, where answer of I is the x sum of subarray nums of I to I plus k minus 1. So let's understand what the question is. Hmm, we are given an integer array. Let's suppose that is 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, and let's suppose k is 3 and x is, let's suppose it's 2. Okay, so for every subarray of size k, k is 3. So we'll get 3 subarrays. For every subarray of size k, we have to calculate the frequency. For the first subarray, the frequency is for 1 it's 1, for 2 it's 1, for 3 it's 1. And the top x elements are uh, actually the frequencies are same. When the frequencies are same, the bigger elements gets the priority. So here 2 and 1 will get the priority. Okay. So 2 and 1. So the sum of the subarray is 2 plus 1, that is 3. So here the resulting array, the first element will be 3. Okay. And for the second subarray, 2, 3, and 1, the frequencies are 2, for 2 it's 1, for 3 it's 1, and for 1 it's 1. The priority will be given to the bigger elements. So again, uh, for 2 and 3, it's 5, right? So here it's 5, not 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. Okay. And in the same way, here also it's 5. And for uh, the subarray 3 comma 1 comma 1, we are having the frequencies for 3 it's 1, for 1 it's 2. So the k, the top x elements are 3 and 1 because there are only x elements. So 3 plus 1 plus 1 because there are two ones. So we'll get 3 plus 1 plus 1, which is 5. So again it's 5. So the answer array will be 5. So this is it. This is how we have to implement the solution. So now let's dive into code. How to code this? Uh, okay. So first of all, we have to have the length int n equals to nums dot length. Length. Okay. And then we have to have an integer array int array ans equals to new int of n plus k minus 1. Uh, sorry, n minus k plus 1. My bad. N minus k plus 1. Yeah. And for every size subarray, so for int I equals to 0, I less than or equal to n minus k, and I plus plus, mm, then we have to have a map of integer comma integer mp equals to new hash map. Okay, then what we have to do is for int j equals to 0, j not actually j is equal to I. We are starting from the ith index. J less than I plus k. We have to exactly consider k elements. So j will be going from I to I plus k, and j plus plus. mm, we have to insert into the map dot put nums of j, comma, uh, map dot get or default nums of j, comma 0 plus 1. Okay, yeah. So now we have constructed the map. Now what we have to do is we have to know about the k distinct elements. So for that we need an list of integers, list of integer array, list equals to new array list. I'll explain what is the reason behind this list. Okay. Then for uh, int int key in map dot key set mm, list dot add uh, new int of map dot get of key, comma key. Okay, yeah. So we have constructed the list like actually we were having a map where the integer will have its frequency as the value. So then we have reversed. Then we have constructed a list of integers array where we are putting the frequency first, then the key. This is because we have to sort. So now let's implement the sorting logic. Collections dot sort list where it should be in the form A of B, where we have to check the condition if the frequencies are equal. If the frequencies are not equal. Okay. So where are the frequencies? The frequencies are at the zeroth index. This is the zeroth index of the array. This is the first index, right? So we have to check if b of 0 is not equal to a of 0, then what we have to do is we have to implement b of 0 minus a of 0. That means if the frequencies are not equal, then the higher frequency comes first. Okay. And if they are equal, then the higher element comes first. First index contains the element, right? So b of 1 minus a of 1. This is it. And after that, we have another variable xsum equals to 0 and for int j equals to 0, j less than x, and we'll have another condition j less than what's this list dot size. Okay, j plus plus x sum plus equals to mm, list dot get of j and of 1 into list dot get of j of 0. Okay, yeah, this is it. And we have had answer array. So answer of I equals to x sum, and we can return answer. This should work. Yeah, this has worked for the sample test cases. Now let's submit. Yeah, this has worked. So this is it. This is the easiest approach by which we can solve this problem. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share it. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment. Yeah, and please keep supporting me. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.